Okay, it's been a bit more than a week. It's been 10 days since we last looked in the compost tumbler. So I'm going to take the lid off. And it looks like there's some flies in there, which is a sign that it's probably too wet. I'm just looking at it here. There's no sign of maggots, so I think the maggots that were there have probably turned into flies, and it just feels very wet. So we haven't put enough of the carbon waste in there. So let's add a whole lot in there and then check it next time. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, I'm actually going to put the rest of the bin in. So therefore, what we've done is we've put a whole Bokashi bin of the sugarcane mulch, brown waste, and that's because of the flies. If there wasn't flies, I possibly wouldn't put that much, but we want to get rid of them. The carbon will help that. It will dry it out. And I think also turning more often. I probably only turned it a couple of times. What have I done with the lid? Here's the lid, so we'll put the lid back on. I'll give it a good turn and see if that's enough first, though. So we'll turn it. Okay, so now I'll have another look and let's see. Certainly actually seems almost like it's actually still a bit too wet. So I filled up another Bokashi bucket full of mulch just so we can measure how much we've used at the end of the process. I'm going to put it, still quite wet. I'm going to put about 4 handfuls there, did I? 4 or 5 handfuls. Okay, we'll turn it again. We'll see, we'll have a look at it. Yeah, I think that should be enough. So we'll leave that and we'll look at it again in another week. But what I'll do as well is I'll make sure to turn it every day. That's it. We'll have a look again in a week.